What can really go so?
This man say my side gentle people. This is man a site and you kill the ambulance. Eh? See bush so inside my side. Eh? Look on the ambulance them. Look on the ambulance. The two of them fuck up here.
Some people wanna really see how the man swing out of the little twig, out of the little branch, out of the road, and go deal with the people in the ambulance and the ambulance plus himself. Boy, wanna make me know what I'm thinking of the comment.
A few moments later.
Them for know this, overflow them can overthrow this for the body set a review, them have to link up for know this. Big up to my viewers, big up to my subscriber. Bless up on yourself for the way and they are back on them with a fresh upload. So do me a favor and leave a like on the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on bell notification. For every time a new upload drop, you get it. So let's get right into it.
I'm not gonna tell you no for say this, but I'm tell you something, brother. If you know that woman for 5 years, and she not breathe within that 5 bumbo clot years. Left the blood clot, girl. She not want you. Brother, no man not for there with no bumbo clot woman I breathe and give him one thickness.
So to kick things off, my people, we have the unruly boss Popcaan. Basically, Popcaan attack against a WMC go on in the island from Wedie. We're going with the 9-year-old little girl with them grape and unalive, you see me? So we are going to check out the Popcaan office about that. And then the other day, my people, since week we're gone, basically the nurse and a bunch of female gather and they took it to the street and protest because they must say, oh, the violence against women need to stop and all of that, which me totally agree with them still, my people. And then right after that, we are gonna check out a famous TikToker. Basically, he's a vlogger too, you see me? You can check out what the G have to say and make me know what you think in the comments, because fear is fear, and I mean, the man has spit facts still, you see me?
My name is Andrew Sutherland, aka Popcaan. I'm the boss. Whichever name you choose. But this man fought for raise awareness on something while we are in Jamaica from all the way. You know, I don't really like it. I don't like the direction that enough things are going there, see me? And especially about the raping and everything, them man are like rape 9-year-old girl and kill her and everything. You know, you feel like we should pay more attention to these things, you know? Like, if we have more dialogue with each other in the community then, so we can protect the kids then more, you know, even the adult then, because you see a man walk in a nurse head and then something like, me go apply for license gun, then I give me a license gun. I may own so much property at Jamaica, but them so-called upstanding citizens where them have a tap in a nurse head, a walk in a nurse head and a abuse a nurse way. Is also here to look after the people and the kids then, you know, so just I'm making you notice the nation, the need for be more serious about them situation, yeah, and eradicate these rapers where in our society and in our surrounding, you know, like pestilence.
Again, now them world again. Right now the ladies them tired of the violence.
Take your feet off our heads. Take your feet off our heads.
The ladies them tired of the violence. I swear to you, I'm tired of the violence too. Here again now them world again. Take on the feet off of them head. And that's what they really do the nurse them. Take your feet off their heads. No joke.
Justice! 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 Justice!
Again in them world again. Justice for the nurse them, you know. When I like what go on. When on the sick of them on the see. When on the head hurt them on the see. When you want a little dressing, them on the see. You don't bother with the ramping, man. Hey, one thing, you know, be a cuteness Jamaica have. I be a cuteness Jamaica have. Yeah. See, be a cuteness again. In the world again. Be a cuteness Jamaica have. No joke. Only if you destroy the nurse, them and damage them. Look how the woman them sweet and cute. Look how them nice and sexy and everything. When the other earth to know at them on the call. Again in them world again.
Off our heads, take your feet off our heads. Take your feet off our
When
heads.
you this one try to you this all with membership tall.
When on this one and this all, member say the whole clan, the whole crew, tall, member great. Again, now them world again, when stop the violence against females. When I like it. Big man thing. A be a cuteness Jamaica have on really I try to damage the ladies them so. When I don't do that, when I like that.
Man, them want to start place the same value upon phone life, on place upon woman life, and woman place upon for them own life. So only isolated situations will occur and you hear them and say, stop the violence against women, stop the violence against nurses. To be honest with you, I could have been Alice found on a crab circle, they still would have come out in their numbers in support of her. Man drop by the dozens of Jamaica, weekly, monthly, and pin no drop. So me I say, we can't go on like we no value free we life. Because the truth is, we are way more targeted than our counterparts. You see what me I say? We need to start stand up for our life and go on like so we life have worth, bro. You see me I say? We keep too quiet when we see young men, you see it get put out in a them prime, pin no drop about it. Boy, you set away, that's all, man.
Some people, you know, say, yo, internationally, me see that little video clip here, me say, yo, me gonna share it with Uni, you see me? Because basically, a Mexican pirate ship has crashed into Brooklyn Bridge, you see me? So we are gonna check out that and we see what go on. Because me can't get for overstand. The ship will come crashing at the bridge and everybody stand up and a pray. I mean, me not gonna say nothing still. And check out the clip and make me know what you wanna think.
Mexican pirate ship crash into Brooklyn Bridge.
Holy crap. What is going on? Oh, what? Dude, the bridge is shaking out there. We gotta keep moving. This is insane.
Some people, you know, say, yo, me see that video here with Vybz Kartel. Basically, Vybz Kartel mansion in Florida. Basically, the G buy a next property right beside it and give him son them. You see me? So from out of prison to living in the States, owning properties, the king of dancehall is doing his thing. So we're going to check out the clip and you can make me know what you think. And right after that, my people, we are going to check out the umbrella because basically the elder tell a story with one of him good friend who to tell if him it happened to still, but him just a say. But my people, me go want you know tell more on the thing panda one, you know, because the G them a say, yo, basically from where they every girl they meet is like they meet them for the first year is like them want 10 grand. Them carry them guard them here, them want 10 grand. Just for say I the girl them nowadays want 10 grand. You see me? So it come like a 10 grand at the new thing them upgrade from the credit. So on the check out of the Ella say I make me know what they think, you see me?
Remember we no cap. From one house. I have to grab our next one. Yeah! That's that. Yeah, man. Remember we no cap. Yeah, man. Houses. World Boss program. Don't hate, appreciate. You heard?
Dust! What is that?
This man, one of my brethren called me, youth. As God live it. The man say, a 3 days now he meet one girl and he say girl come home. 2 times with him. I don't give him no pum pum. And say this my girl call him. I mean my complaint too. I'll be honest with him. But I feel now me heart to come and see what they want. He say girl say she want $10,000. If she can't get $10,000 this man, he say babe, I'm forget $10,000 and a 2 days come and me yard and me I beg you pum pum and I say too soon.
And that what is it?
Yo.
As you meet a woman, as you meet him so
10
bad,
grand.
10,000.
10 grand.
Straight 10,000.
10 grand can give me all three in the market.
Run a fire station corner.
All 3
Or run a
grand.
back road. But what me I say now? Oh, every woman want 10 grand nowadays.
I don't want to get no pum pum.
All of a sudden, you call to one woman, he want $10,000. So as a man just have $10,000, I give woman so, just so.
No, believe me.
10,000 and them no give nobody.
Just believe me, I tell you. Whether carry that $10,000 back road.
You can give a man $10,000, yes, but oh, just.
And they don't want to give nothing, you know. They don't want to give no pum pum.
The wickedest thing.
They might tell us say too soon. And look how hard it take a man for work $10,000 more time.
And then just want 10,000, every woman just want 10,000.
But as I talk to you, man, I swear to God, man, as I talk to you, woman, I'm not telling you lie.
Come like a 10,000
woman. The woman,
I want you understand enough money for run.
Yeah, but me not say, how on earth, a woman just want to take your $10,000 so. No must fool in take you for.
10,000.
$10,000.
I just start talk 10,000.
Yeah, I fool in take.
I just start talk to a woman 10,000. Sir, every time a woman know this, say, hey, look what a woman know, he say.
I think all the big woman them in better, you know.
The big woman know.
I tell about 52-year-old
right now, if you give a woman, big woman 10,000, you know, put it, you get back $1,000 out of it.
Yeah, but me I said them know too. Take up the runnings and look, I said they want one man for David. Then just want $10,000 and lock up their leg, get $10,000. Right?
Man, they might get wise now, because woman made a complaint about you.
Then I tell us I eat with me this man.
Yeah, man, they might complain hard about you.
My virgin.
They ask you, they ask you too.
What do you mean? Pay 10,000 and just start to them they want 10 grand.
And no pum pum.
10,000. Every minute 10,000. 10,000.
And no pum pum now run.
Why the 10,000?
Y'all don't go where? See man, they wanna run down. And them figure no $10,000.
Yeah, man. When no man wanna live with.
Can't they buy them like a lollipop and I set all kind of way they give them.
I don't know.
I don't take people feed that man. No go man. Lift up.
So to close things off, my people, when you hear me a laugh, because I book up on that story, I will say, oh, me have to share it, don't know, especially the Monday when they need for listen. Because basically the Umbria say, oh, him there, him friend mechanic shop, and him watch him friend kids them, him and him woman married 23 years, and one pitney she give him, and right now the dog are prayer deep, you see me? When you hear what the man have to say, I make me know what to think in the comments.
I'm a virgin. But I'm a virgin mechanic. I watch my virgin bomb buckler 2 little picnic them. No, what? I never go show him face. I'm just showing it. Look on the man in his early 40s, you know, dog, or go 50s, you know. And the man have 2 young picnic, you know. I'm not going to tell you if you say this, but I'm telling you something, brother. If you know that woman for 5 years, and she not breed within that 5 bomb buckler years, left the blood clot, girl. She not want you. Brother, no man not for there with no bomb clot woman or breed and give me one picnic. Yeah, I'm tell you something, my youth. I know I get tired, you know. I know I'm more my woman for see this and know, so you for left me, you know. Because I come like a Mickey and left you, you know. Say for blood clot left me and go on the waist, you know, woman. At 20 bomb clot 4 years, me then I want pick me a blood clot, give me, you know. You know, rate me, you know, woman. You don't bomb clot, rate me, you know, dog. Yo, no man not for there with no woman for, yo, every 5 years a woman for a breed. And if you there a man for bomb clot 5 years, you don't breed. Woman left the man because either him not fertile or you not fertile.
Remember that.
Oh, the bomb clot, yo, I'm vex you. Fuck today, brother. Brother, me 48 and one pick me, brother, and live with a bomb clot woman for 40 blood clot 8 years. Hey, girl, I'm telling you this bomb clot, I bet you poison me and kill me too, you know. I bet you poison me and kill me too, you know.
Don't kill him, just poison him.
Bomba club become, yo, me worthless, brother. Are you fucking worthless? I that's not mean me not good. I hold on bomba club, me do man pick me. Chop bomba club, me vex the fuck. Yo, me think me older than my brethren older than me too, you know, brother. The man go older than me, you know, yo. The man have two pitney with one woman, you know. The man have 6 pitney, you know, brother, and have 6 baby mother, you know. Bumbuckler, yo, me done, you fuck, yo. Anywhere me live, me not live there again after today. Remember me telling you, anywhere me live, me not live there again after today. Me done. Me I move the blood clot fuck out. Mother gonna live with a woman we have 20 picnic already and can't give me none. Fuck me I talk still, but that's so. Gonna live with a woman with 20 picnic when I give me none. I fuck with that still, but me I try make sense so tight, you see me? But at least me know she can't breed and give me no more. But then how the fuck you live with a woman where you first breed her and she not give no more picnic? And you know I suffer and she not suffer. You build house, you have car, you have business, you have everything. That girl in a rate your blood, hey girls, fuck off.
Big up yourself if you made it this far in the video. You are highly appreciated. Don't forget to leave a like on the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on bell notification to get notified every time something new drop. So until next time, D-Wayne out.